Hey guys, this is my new favorite from Utique collection, luxury collection. It's inspired by Tom Ford Cafe Rose. It's so luxurious, so amazing. It smells gorgeous, strong. The best on it is dry down. I had a sample. I'm gonna open it now. This is called Midnight Drama. Okay, so the name of Utique perfume is called Midnight Drama. This is only 15 ml. I'm gonna take my time until I open this. Right. So in 15 ml, it comes like this. We open it. Actually, you've got a little hook there. And that's what it looks like inside. I was using sample, and look at this gorgeous bottle. Amazing. So it comes in a packaging like this. And this is like a matte surface on the bottle with very simplistic logo and label. So what it smells like, guys, it smells like rose mixed with incense, patchouli. There is no oud, but I can smell the oud in there. So let me just spray this. It's so strong. The dry down, actually, it lasts like weeks. 1 week definitely. Days and days and days. The dry down on it is the best, guys. It smells posh, rich, amazing, soft rose with incense, patchouli, just loads of good stuff, saffron, which is very expensive. Yeah, it's amazing. I love this so much. So I really recommend this. It smells similar to Tom Ford Cafe Rose. If you like Cafe Rose, you will love this one. It comes in 15 ml and 100 ml. Yeah, so gorgeous. I can tell you a story with this one. I was wearing a sample of it, which lasts forever as well. So I thought like, love this. So I went to one shop and I smelled, I was outside, yeah. I went to one shop and there was one woman in the queue in front of me, and I could smell her, and I thought, oh my god, she smells good. Like luxurious, you know, and posh and rich. I thought, well, I wonder what she's wearing. And then she left, and I still smelled it, and I was like, wow, that's a strong one. Anyways, after a few minutes or after some time, I realized it's actually me. So that was funny. It was me, me smelling like this, luxurious and gorgeous and amazing. So this scent, it's just amazing, yeah. Because I thought, well, I still smell it, and she left. And then I went outside and I still smell it. I was like, oh my god, it's me. I sprayed this sample on before. So yeah, I got myself a 100 ml bottle as well. It's on the way. This is like for anyone who likes, yeah, it's soft rose, guys. Soft and rich rose. It's very similar to Rose Prick, Cafe Rose. It's rosy scent, but like very rich, very posh scent, yeah. So yeah, I really recommend this one. If you want to catch, if you want to get your hands on this one, just get it. You can get it cheaper as well if you register. So it works out really good. Actually, a really good price. It comes in 15 and 100 ml in a bottles like this. The 100 ml is even more majestic bottle. It's got amazing cap and everything. It's